Find the value of minus 1 upon 2 raised to 5 upon minus 1 upon 2 raised to 4 divided by minus 1 upon 8 upon minus 1 upon 4. Now remember the laws of indices. X raised to n divided by x raised to m equals to x raised to n minus m. Okay. Same here, x raised to a upon x raised to b equals to x raised to a minus b. So what is 8? 8 is 2 cube. What is 4? It is 2 square. So we'll solve everything now. So minus 1 upon 2 raised to, this becomes what? 5 and here 4. And it is this rule. So it will be 5 minus 4. Okay. Divided by this. What is 8? 2 cube. So minus 1 upon 2 cube. Up the whole upon this upon minus 1 upon 2 square. Right. So now minus and minus. Firstly cancel this minus and minus, both are upon, so cancel this, so it becomes 1 upon 2 cube upon 1 upon 2 square. This side as it is, so minus 1 upon 2 as it is divided by, now you can take this 3 outside and 2 outside. Why? Because there is plus now. Earlier you couldn't take this because there was minus over here. Okay, so if you take 2 outside in the above term, then it is minus 1 upon 2 the whole square. It becomes plus 1 upon 4. Is this the answer? No. It is minus 1 upon 4. So you cannot take 2 outside when you have a minus sign over here. So now you have plus sign both. So you can take it now. So it becomes 1 upon 2 the whole cube upon 1 upon 2 the whole square. Again the same logic. This x raised to a upon x raised to b. So it becomes 1 upon 2 raised to 3 minus 2. This 1 minus 1 upon 2 as it is divided by 1 upon 2 raised to 3 minus 2. So it becomes 1. So minus 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2 raised to 1. So you need not write 1. It's same. It's understood. So this divide should become multiply now. So minus 1 upon 2 into this goes upside down. So it becomes 2. Cancel. Answer is minus 1. Okay. Solve this again yourself.